Example problem 22 reads, how many moles are in 7 grams of iron oxide? So we know that we have 7 grams of Fe2O3. We want to know how many moles there are. So grams to moles is a one-step conversion. So grams of Fe2O3 goes on bottom, and moles of Fe2O3 go on top. So in 1 mole, we have to calculate the molecular weight of iron oxide. So the atoms are iron and oxygen. Iron is element number 26 on the periodic table, and it has a mass of 55.85 grams. Oxygen is number 8, and it has a mass of 16 grams. There are 2 iron atoms present. There are 3 oxygen atoms present, and we're going to multiply rows 2 and rows 3. So 55.85 times 2 is 111.7 grams. 16 times 3 is 48 grams. And now we're going to add row 4. So 111.7 plus 48 equals 159.7 grams, and that's going to go over here. So 159.7 grams. So grams cancel and we're left with moles. So in your calculator, 7 divided by 159.7 equals 0.04 moles of Fe2O3. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 22.